Imagine your exploration reaching resource certainty in just 8 weeks. A breakthrough suite of electromagnetic exploration technologies, mineral, oil and gas and water finder technology, we call MFT, OFT and WFT, now makes that possible. Developed from decades of research focused on new exploration methods to eliminate barren cores and dry wells, these technologies have been proven to deliver no false positives or false negatives in more than 40,000 verification drill cores and wells, across 400 projects in over 40 countries and wide-ranging geological settings. Together, they redefine how you can explore for minerals, hydrocarbons, and water to jump from prospectivity to resource certainty and characterization in one confident leap. MFT, OFT and WFT are passive electromagnetic technologies. They listen to the Earth, rather than disturb it. By measuring and interacting with natural variations in the planet's electric, magnetic, and electromagnetic fields, they reveal what lies beneath, without transmitting energy into the ground. Every element and compound have a unique spectral signature and resonance frequency. You can liken it to a kind of fingerprint. Leveraging these unique markers, the MFT, OFT, and WFT systems directly identify subsurface resources, instead of inferring them indirectly from geological and structural information. Grounded in the work of scientists and geophysicists across 160 years, from Gauss and Maxwell to Tikhonov, Schumann, Pearson and the others listed, the technology has modeled resource accumulations to depths of 9.8 kilometers, which were later verified with drilling, all while leaving zero environmental footprint. Every project follows a clear, proven sequence, achieving certainty with respect to economic viability within 8 weeks to proceed to full reporting in 17 weeks. Phase 1 is remote satellite sensing and analysis, completed in 8 weeks. Using satellite data and a laboratory platform, our technical team do minimum viable, precision, reconnaissance scans of large areas to locate resource presence. This phase provides the first moment of certainty, knowing where to focus before fieldwork begins. Phase 2 is field sensing, completed in 4 weeks. Using mobile proprietary instrumentation, small field teams map located resource geometry, depth, and concentration with high precision. This phase confirms what exists, providing the precision to support targeted drilling campaigns. Phase 3 is the laboratory analysis, integration, 3D modeling and reporting, completed in 5 weeks. All satellite and field data are processed with AI and geointelligence software to build detailed maps, 3D models, and the final technical reports. This final step turns readings into actionable intelligence, for precise drill-ready guidance. From first scan to final report, the complete cycle takes 17 weeks, yet the confidence to go or not to go arrives after just 8. These technologies have been validated in more than 400 commercial and research projects worldwide, from the Arctic to the equator, from desert to tropical forest, from plain to mountain. They carry official endorsements from National Oil and Gas Commission of Mexico, National Resource Agency of Colombia, Darcy Partners, and the United Nations Economic and Social Council for Economic and Environmental Best Practice, and are currently under evaluation by the Nigerian Upstream Petroleum Regulatory Commission and the U.S. Geological Survey. Across all deployments, results have been confirmed through drilling correlations. These correlations consistently show an average of 94% accuracy in correlations between MFT, OFT and WFT models and actual drilling outcomes. Rated TRL 9, the highest NASA technology readiness level, the methodologies and technologies are scientifically sound, field-proven, and mature. As one client described it, MFT is like an MRI for subsurface natural resources. In short, the technology is grounded by proven science, validated through extensive correlation studies, and a statistically significant verification dataset. Across minerals, hydrocarbons, and water exploration, MFT, OFT and WFT deliver a common foundation of value. They provide certainty in 8 weeks, so you know exactly what and where resources are before proceeding with further investment. 30,000 plus data points per ore body, hydrocarbon reservoir, or aquifer, giving you high resolution for modeling, valuation, and drill planning. Precision up to 94%, providing you accurately defined location, characterization, depth, grade, pressure, and temperature. High discovery success rate, with over 50% of historic client projects locating economically viable resources. Time and cost savings up to 80%, reducing your exploration steps, time, and risk of barren cores or dry wells. Depth to 9.8 kilometers, discovering resources for you well beyond most conventional methods. Zero environmental footprint, delivering a passive, non-invasive, and ESG-aligned exploration pathway. Seamless integration, working smoothly with your existing data, software, and workflows. Together, these advantages turn exploration from a speculative gamble into an attractive investment decision with lower costs, shorter time to completion, precise, data-driven higher success rates, and the traditional high returns from resource exploration plays. Faster, more certain, cleaner, and more profitable. While they share the same scientific foundation, each technology and exploration process is tuned to its target resource and technical challenge. For Mineral Finder technology, MFT, it maps the resource location, depth, and ore body geometry. Identifies the type of specific minerals and their compounds. Predicts grade distribution, and is ideal for frontier and greenfield discoveries and brownfield projects where bypassed resources may exist. In short, MFT delivers precise mineral intelligence, reducing exploration risk, cost, and time to operational cash flow, and extending life of operating mines. For Oil and Gas Finder technology, OFT, it directly detects oil, gas, condensate, and water, and defines their stratification and boundaries. Provides pre-drill pressure prediction and reservoir characterization for safer well design, and extends imaging far below seismic limits, and eliminates most dry well risk in complex geology such as salt domes. In essence, OFT provides pre-drill clarity, a true map of fluids, pressure, and structure before the first rig moves in, and it extends life of operating reservoirs. For Water Finder technology, WFT, it locates aquifers directly to 9.8 kilometers deep. Determines aquifer depth, thickness, seasonal variations, and recharge potential. Characterizes subsurface water salinity, provides pressure and temperature, and is ideal for agriculture, industry, and community supply projects, tracking managed aquifer recharge, MAR, or for de-risking mining and energy operations where water management is critical. In practice, WFT delivers rapid, non-invasive groundwater intelligence, helping governments and operators secure reliable water sources while protecting ecosystems and neighboring users. Together, MFT, OFT, and WFT apply the same proven science to three essential resources, transforming exploration from uncertainty to actionable certainty in record time. Each field survey uses lightweight instruments under 6 kilograms, operated by small agile crews of 4 to 6 people on foot, or from vehicle, boat, or drone. No energy is injected into the earth, no permits are required, and no disturbance remains. This means rapid field mobilization, short time frame, low risk, simple logistics, and full compliance with environmental expectations. In every sense, it's the smarter, cleaner, and faster way to explore. Whether you seek new mineral, hydrocarbon, or water resources, you can now move from probability to clarity in weeks, not years or decades. With MFT, OFT, and WFT, you know where to drill, where not to drill, and why. This is future smart exploring. Your means to achieve go or no-go certainty in 8 weeks. If you're interested in evaluating how MFT, OFT, or WFT can address your specific exploration and technical challenges, we invite you to contact us using the information on this slide. Thank you for watching. We look forward to speaking with you.